Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya, nang ni Shakman, kan saya Shakman, ban penkre na banta bantaino, ya ke Shillong Medical College, ha ke Shnong Sauli, hajan ke Shnong Maudingdiang, ha New Shillong Township. Ya kini la banong hadien bakawai naki company na Kolkata jong ke Jilla West Bengal, ka KPC Group, kala menjor ya ke jing terwat ma jong ke Sarkar Jilla, bantai kini ke jaka puli doktor bat kiwai di ki kos, ki bayadai bakakoj ke kia. Ya kini la itu do Menteri Sarkar bakami ya ketnat ke koj ke kia ke Jilla uba Alexander L. Heng. Ha ke jengkeren bat ke Batisi TV, ha ke arterik menta ubenai naitung arajakat kendai, ha ke kamera trekam jong u, ha main secretariat Shillong. Ban penting kenai kene uba elhek ulai turu bah ka katsan terek mentau naitung arajakat kendai kan sadan ru ke jingi kendo ha pedang ketnat ke kot ke khia na kene ke Jilla bat ki he jong ka KPC Group ban ye kran khaddo halor kene ka kam uba elhek ulai turu ba ya kene ke Shillong Medical College on satai ha Sauli ha ka jaka ka bahe kumba khanyo eka AA.
So in principle this KPC has agreed to shift the medical college from the existing, not existing exactly, it is from the proposed existing medical college to the Sauli. So they have agreed in principle. So they are coming on 15, that is at 3 p.m. to have meeting with us here in my chamber only. The difficulties is only small minor condition they have put it, which it can be resolved.
More land?
No, land is not an issue because the land there is only 17 acres. So for the MCI norm, we require 20 acres. But we have told the urban authority, the land allotment committee, to give them another 5 acres of land. They said no, they need 20 acres for MCI norm. I said in Meghalaya, the land is not 100% utility. Some land is 40% utility, some land is 60% utility. What is the harm to give 2 more acres extra? For this, because the land utility is very not 100% utility. Yes.
So urban will give.
They should give this for our state. This is not giving to KPC. It's giving for our state only. 5 acres. We have asked the MUDA, the land allotment committee, to provide another 5 acres of land to the KPC for construction of the Shillong Medical College. It was signed in 2012. When I was not the health minister at that time. Okay. But whatever they have done the best. What they have done before also. We're not blaming what was signed in 2012.
No, the place I'm saying.
The place, it was signed in 2012. I'm not saying just because they have signed in 2012, I have taken against anybody's decision taken before. That is not in my way of functioning. We are looking for the betterment of the people, and also it's good to have a medical college where it is now in the existing proposal area. It is very congested, and this is only one road to go inside the proposed medical college here at the Red Chest Hospital. So now we get the better land to get better space. It will be better for the student also who is coming to studying here in the Shillong Medical College.
So
not because they have signed and go against because I signed in 2012 when I was not a minister. That is a very wrong concept. I don't agree that also.
No, you wasted 7 years, solid 7 years.
Of course.
Just now only you have realized that there is
we have not realized now.
congestion.
No, we have not realized now. If you are remember, the day one when I took over as the health minister, we went and inspect for the Shillong Medical College site. Then there we have called a meeting. Everybody are not happy to set up the medical college there because of the approach is also not conducive. The road also is very narrow and it's a highly populated area and is not conducive for this medical college.
But the former CM went on.
See, that is, I'm not saying against anybody. Whether he has done the best, I appreciate that. But we want to do more, better and best.
This new medical college, this new medical college is going to be shifted to the new Riches.
No, that is from the original proposal to the Sauli Riches Hospital proposal.
So why you need why you need a new construction, new building construction? Because the Building is already there, no?
No, the building is already there. May also be required for the classroom, for the hostel, for many other things.
Essential.
So many things are there. So which will not be able to tell you right now.
For
What
the-
are the requirements?
How much the government has spent for construction of the new building for the TB hospital?
I'm sorry.
Yes.
I think it should be more than 20 crores.
Don't you think it's just a waste? Because
Not waste. Not waste.
no,
This
now
is
you are
no-
saying not a waste.
What waste? Why waste?
So now with the infrastructure almost ready available for the KPC.
Not ready to start the medical college. We have some infrastructure where it can be utilized, that the existing infrastructure, not full-fledged, it can be operated to be a medical college.
See, the specifications of TB hospital is entirely different from a medical college.
That's why I'm saying you. That's
So
why
you
I
cannot
said.
say that
That's
we
why
will
cannot be.
utilize
It can be utilized in some other way. Okay, it can be utilized for office administration. It can be utilized for any other purposes. But for medical college, they have their own specification, structure, specification, building. Okay, not
But is
for-
it not a foolish decision in the beginning to shift TB hospital to Mount India, Umsauli, and wasting money?
There's no foolish. This is no foolish thinking of anybody. It is thinking only for the best of the state.